Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can tag someone on Facebook. So there is two ways to tag them, either on a post or on your story. So to tag someone on a story, you can click on create story and create yourself a story. So I will choose a random picture over here, and let's say I want to tag someone on this story. What I can do is click on the double A, which is at the top right of my screen. Once I click on it, you can see the option called tag someone. I need to click on tag someone, and from over here it's showing me the list of people. I can even type the name of the person over here and the account will be displayed. As you guys can see, the account is being displayed over here. Once the account is displayed, you can click on any one of these accounts and basically they will be tagged. Now you can click on done, click on share, and your Facebook story will be shared with someone being tagged. That's how we guys can tag on story. Now to tag someone on a post, you want to click on plus at the top right of the screen and click on post. From over here, you can upload a photo or videos by clicking on the option at the bottom. But you can see the tag people option over here as well. Click on tag people and it's going to show you the list of friends you have. You can just check mark the box right beside your friend who you want to tag, click on done. And basically that person is going to be tagged on this post. So I'm going to post a random photo over here and I'm going to click on done and click on post. And once I do that, basically someone will be tagged on this post. So that is how we guys can tag people on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.